Presenting Aqua Channi.
Life without plastic is unimaginable. It's used in almost everything that we see. Unfortunately, plastic has various detrimental effects on the environment, such as choking of animals, pollution, biomagnification, and landscape disfigurement. Plastics contain toxic chemicals which lead to numerous health risks in organisms, such as hormonal imbalances, cancers, and a lot more. Even worse, the decomposition of plastic takes up to 1,000 years, while we produce over 300 million tons of plastic every year, of which only 9% is recycled. 80% of the plastic in oceans flows into them through rivers. This is where the Aqua Channi comes in. The Aqua Channi will intercept plastics in rivers and prevent their entry into oceans while simultaneously cleaning up rivers. It will do so by filtering out both macroplastics and microplastics, which are often overlooked, using unique mechanisms. With the Aqua Channi, we hope to reduce plastic pollution and save our planet.
The Aqua Channi is able to achieve this in a 7-step process. Strategically placed barriers along the riverbank and attached to the Aqua Channi guide plastics towards it, but do not block the path of passing boats. The sieve wall is a uniquely undulating net wall that is designed to prevent larger plastics from passing through and from clogging the wall. Thus, water containing only small microplastics less than 5 mm are able to pass. These microplastics are then picked up by pipes opening into the microplastic agglomeration tank, where a series of chemical reactions involving the use of hybrid silica gel agglomerate the microplastics into large tennis ball-sized particles. Now coming back to the macroplastics. From the sieve wall, they are directed towards the gyrating macroplasticator or GMP, which is our own repurposing of the use of conveyor belts for plastic collection seen in most other products. In this way, macroplastics are dropped into the dumpsters present directly underneath the apex of the GMP. To solve the problem of bringing each of the 4 empty macroplastic dumpsters beneath the GMP, we have designed a circular platform or barge that carries the dumpsters. The platform fits into the annular outline of the posterior wall of the Aqua Channi's main body, which has small wheels that move and hence rotate the platform by 90 degrees on receiving a signal. Once all the dumpsters are filled, a message is received by local operators to collect the wastes. Since the macroplastic dumpsters are present on a separate barge, they are easily towed away by a boat, greatly reducing any manual work. The microplastic dumpster is fixed and so needs to be manually emptied.
After the collection of the plastics, they will be sent for recycling. We plan to do so by collaborating with the following organizations: Recycle India Foundation, MBA Polymers, and Renew Oceans. These organizations will help us by taking the plastic we've collected, sending them for recycling, and selling the products made from them.
Our competitors consist of the interceptor, the bubble barrier, and the trash wheel. Some common problems faced by our competitors is that they're not able to filter out both the types of plastics, or they're not able to operate at an efficient speed. What makes Aqua Channi better is that it's an all-in-one solution which can filter out both macroplastics as well as microplastics, and it can also facilitate microplastic agglomeration, which is a goal that our competitors are yet to achieve.
The USP of the Aqua Channi is that it is adaptable to the needs of the target river, and the employed processes can largely be scaled up. Moreover, micro and macroplastic filtrations are not dependent on one another, meaning that if one requires repair, the other is still operational.
We plan to start the first round of funding in April 2021 and production by August 2021. We plan to raise $800,000 in the first round, which includes $670,000 as the build cost of Aqua Channi and $130,000 as the operational costs to kickstart the business. We will raise $500,000 in the second round to increase research and development and expand our business.
Our funding sources consist of venture capitalists, angel investors, and the Indian government. In the Indian government, we're targeting 3 ministries in particular. First, Ministry of Earth Sciences, second, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and the third is Ministry of Urban Development. Apart from these, we're also targeting organizations and companies like Vulcan, Morgan Stanley, and Alliance to End Plastic Waste, since they have a history of investing in projects which aim to eliminate plastics from the ocean.
Thus, Aqua Channi contributes to lesser plastic pollution in oceans and cleaner water for various forms of life.